2024 Lincoln Navigator, Release Date, Price and Features. Hello friends, today we are going to tell you about Lincoln's new model 2024 Lincoln Navigator, which is completely based on electricity. And it is a luxury SUV with a more impressive and attractive exterior design and luxurious interiors. Apart from this, it has a seating capacity of 8 people. And it also has more spacious interiors including rear seats. So the new Lincoln Navigator is going to be the most exclusive SUV in countries like the US and Canada. Apart from this, the new SUV comes with a 150 kWh battery capacity, which can easily get 400 miles to range on a single charge. And it is going to come with new safety features and infotainment connectivity features. If you want to know everything about the 2024 Lincoln Navigator SUV, then make sure to read this article till the end. Because in this article we have told everything about the new Lincoln Navigator SUV. Like, release date, price, range, features, colors, and many more that you need to know. 2024 Lincoln Navigator redesign. Let us tell you that Lincoln has given it a complete facelift. Indiana 20218 is the 6th generation of Lincoln Navigator for the 2019 model. And then the same model has been released in 2022 as a 2023 model after minor changes. So don't expect Lincoln to facelift it for the 2024 model. But according to media reports and information, it is being told that Lincoln is going to refresh the 2024 model with some new features and a new design. However, Lincoln has recently shared some pictures on social media and its website, which looks like Lincoln is going to refresh the 2024 model once again with new features and new designs. And it is also being told that the new Lincoln Navigator SUV will include many new features as compared to the previous 2023 Lincoln Navigator SUV. Such as Wi-Fi hotspots, 5G connectivity, smart key systems, 4 USB charging ports, power door locks, premium sound systems, wireless smartphone chargers, and many more. It is important to note that Lincoln hasn't revealed any specific details about the design of the upcoming 2024 model, the Lincoln Navigato. So we can't tell you anything more about the 2024 design. But as soon as Lincoln will release any information, we will update it here. 2024 Lincoln Navigator release date. Lincoln has not given any specific information about the release date of the new Lincoln Navigator SUV. But it is being told by media reports and experts. The new Lincoln Navigator SUV will be released by the end of this year or early 2024. But its booking is going to start in the next few months. Let us tell you that Lincoln releases any information about the release date of its new Lincoln Navigator SUV, then we will update it here. 2024 Lincoln Navigator price and trims. The recently available 2023 Lincoln Navigator is offered with a total of 5 trims: Standard, Reserve, Reserve L, Black Label, and Black Label L. And prices for all trims range from $81,620 to $92,685. Which we can guess. The 2024 model will also be similar to the previous trims but may see a slight increase in price. So here we have given the pricing for the 2024 model based on the currently available models. Trims price, EST. Standard $82,000. Reserve $94,000. Reserve L $97,000. Black Label $112,000. Black Label L $115,000. 2024 Lincoln Navigator range. The new Lincoln Navigator is an electric SUV that easily delivers 400 miles of range on a single charge. And it is also important to note that the range of the Lincoln Navigator SUV may vary depending on many factors, such as driving conditions, weather, driving style, engine problem, traffic problem, and other assistance. Let us also tell you that the new Lincoln Navigator is a great SUV in terms of range and features, which can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds, and top speed can run from 115 to 125 miles per hour. 2024 Lincoln Navigator features. Let us tell you that many new features have been included in the new Lincoln Navigator SUV as compared to the 2023 model, which provides entertainment and safety to the passenger and driver during the road trip. All the features are listed below. Wi-Fi hotspot, 5G connectivity, smart key system, power door locks, premium sound system, 11.1-inch touchscreen display, audio sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charger, latest and advanced security features, the automated emergency braking system, 10-speed automatic transmission. 2024 Lincoln Navigator colors. Below is the list of available colors for the new Lincoln Navigator. Carbonized gray metallic, Manhattan green pearl, dark matter gray pearl, chroma caviar metallic, chroma crystal blue metallic, agate black metallic, ceramic pearl, flight blue metallic, iconic silver metallic, lucid red pearl, star white pearl. 2024 Lincoln Navigator interior. The interior of the new Lincoln Navigator SUV has been completely redesigned recently. But for the 2024 model, some new features like Wi-Fi hotspot, 5G connectivity, smart key system, power door locks, premium sound system, 11.1-inch touchscreen display, and audio sound system will be included. Apart from this, talking about the seats of the new Lincoln Navigator SUV, it has been specially designed keeping in mind the passenger and the driver, in which 8 passengers can sit easily. And the cabin is made quite well so that you can keep any luggage easily. And all the seats are optimally designed, making the driving position comfortable during long journeys. In addition, the new Lincoln Navigator SUV also includes a premium sound system, which keeps the passengers and the driver entertained. Overall, the interior of the new Lincoln Navigator has been well designed keeping in mind the comfort and convenience of the passengers and driver, and we hope you enjoy the interior of the new Lincoln Navigator SUV. 2024 Lincoln Navigator specs. Brand Lincoln. Trims 5 trims. Model 2024. Body type SUV. Door 5 door. Seating capacity 8 passengers. Engine type 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, electric. Battery capacity 150 kWh battery. Transmission 10-speed automatic transmission. Drivetrain RWD. 0 to 60 miles per hour time 5.3 seconds. Top speed 115-125 miles per hour. Range 400 miles. Official website www.lincoln.com. 2024 Lincoln Navigator dimensions. Length 210 inches. Width 80 inches. Height 76.5 inches. Wheelbase 122.2 inches. Ground clearance 9.8 in. Curb weight 4,354,550 pounds. 2024 Lincoln Navigator interior dimensions. Headroom, front, 40.1 inches. Legroom, front, 44 inches. Shoulder room, front, 65.2 inches. Hip room, front, 62 inches. Passenger volume 120 cubic feet. Conclusion. Friends, in this article, we have tried to give complete information about the new 2024 Lincoln Navigator. All the details like the redesign, release date, price, and trims, features, and more. We hope that this article will be helpful for you. If yes, then do share this article with your friends and family. Thank you.